The clones have been taken and we have more that have rooted. Everything else is moving along nicely. We'll check out the gardens in a second. But first, before we get into the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. No matter what stage you're at, they have your needs covered. Don't forget to check out, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself some money off your order. Alright, let's check out the gardens. In the Mars Hydro tent under the FC 3000, Pink Kush day 13, and they are coming along nicely. Bud sites are really starting to develop. They're still stretching a bit though, but I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. I'll be keeping an eye on it, but I'm pretty sure we'll be alright. So I'll be giving them another defoliation this week. They're getting pretty bushy and they're in need of it again. Once I do that, the bud sites will start developing a little bit better. They can also use a cleanup on the bottom. They're starting to get quite bushy down there as well. That will help the airflow and it'll tell the plant to focus on the top of the plant, which is of course what we want. Alright, that's it for this tent. I still haven't had a chance to clean up the 2x2. Hopefully I'll do it tonight. Oh yeah, I found out what strain I'll be growing for my friend. It's called Magic Melon. Never heard of that one before. If you ever tried it, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Okay, let's check out the big tent and see how the Gorilla Glue and the clones are doing. Under the VG80, the Gorilla Glue day 89. It appears that I didn't make a mistake and that's the actual date count. It just seems a little bit high to me, I don't know. I guess I just wasn't paying attention. I'm gonna try and clean these girls up as well this week. As you can see, they're getting pretty bushy again. At the same time, I'm going to top this one and this one, and we'll use those for clones as well. Mind you, I'm starting to run out of room in here for the clones. I actually was thinking about maybe putting the Pink Kush in the 2x2 for now. Hold off on the autos that I was going to grow for my friend for about a month. And just put the Pink Kush in the 2x2, and that way it'll give me some more room to put some more clones in here. So anyways, the clones are doing pretty good. They're looking a lot better than what they were the last time. A couple of them were a little bit droopy the last time. They've all picked up. Except for maybe this one. This one's still a little bit droopy. But that's what happens when you take clones. Not all are keepers. I've been gently watering them, making sure I don't overwater. As they start to increase in size, I'll increase the amount of water I'm giving them. Alright, that's it for this tent. Let's check on the clones and see how they're doing. Here are the clones, day 14. Where's that one? Can you see that? The roots are coming right out of the top of the rooter cube. A couple of them are doing that actually. But anyway, so I'm going to be planting those today. I got a busy day today. I got to clean tents, I got to do defoliation, I got to plant clones. Anyways, now that I have a little bit more room in the tray, like I said, I'm going to top the other two Gorilla Glue, and I'll use those for clones, and we'll put some more in here, just to make sure we got enough. Because like I said, not all are always keepers, and some don't make it all the time, so. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.